Snapchat is the easiest way to share photos and videos with your friends without having to worry about your entire photo collection going public. Since all of Snapchat's messages are temporary, adding filters and effects that make you look a bit goofy isn't just optional, it's encouraged. With a wide variety of tools available right at your hands, it's easy to start manipulating your footage in just a few seconds. And while some filters require you to activate them prior to filming, if you're looking to change the speed of your video, you have up until you post your video to edit it. Let's take a look. Start by opening Snapchat on your phone, then record the video you want to appear in slow motion. Once you've captured your footage, slide your finger across the screen to switch through filters. When you arrive at a filter with a snail icon, you'll see your footage start to play back in slow motion. You can still add an additional filter by holding your finger on the screen while swiping, so adding slow motion doesn't completely limit what you're capable of creating. Remember that because you aren't capturing native slow-mo video, your video will appear choppy. Capturing actual slow motion footage requires filming at a higher frame rate than Snapchat records in order to get a proper slow effect. If you already captured video outside of Snapchat, you can still use Snapchat's tools to slow down your footage. Open the app, then tap on the Memories icon at the bottom of the screen. Select Camera Roll from the list of tabs at the top of the screen, then select the video you want to edit. Tap the triple dotted menu icon in the top right corner, then select Edit Video. From here, you can adjust your video just like you had captured it inside of Snapchat natively. And if you're looking to speed up your footage instead, that's possible too. Just select the rabbit filter instead of the snail filter, and your footage will play back with increased speed instead of slowing down. If you liked this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Snapchat and other technology. And do not forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.